Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Dave, and so as promised, I told you that we were going to do the ham radio glass through glass antenna installation in our motorhome. So if you've watched our motorhome walkthrough video, you know that we have a 27.1 Thor Ace. So it's a Class A, and that's what we're going to be putting it in. So little slight change. I was going to use my Baofeng UV5R, as I mentioned in the previous video. But I don't have the PL259 to BNC connector. So I do have my other ham radio that I have in my Jeep Wrangler that I'll pull out for this trip and install it. And it is the Junte, I think it's the 6188-P. So I have a video on that too. We'll have a link to it here somewhere, probably at the end of the credits, where you can just click on the link there. But so it's a nice little 50 watt, actually 25 watt radio. So works really good on my Jeep Wrangler. I actually love it. It was a little cheap radio, but it does a really good job. So first, let's pause here for a second, and I'm going to go over some changes and some other information. So here we go. Alright, so first things first, just in reading the instructions. So there are some key things that must be done besides, just cleaning the windows and such. But one is that this piece, which is labeled as the coupler box, must be faced to the right on the inside of the window. And then the other one will go like this. So this will be basically sitting like this on the window. Also gave great caution to the fact that don't misalign them. They must be lined up, and that they don't come off the window very good, or really at all. And then this is the radial that will go on here once we get that the antenna portion, this piece here, the cable screwed into it. So my thoughts, this is the front of my rig, and my thoughts is I'm going to put the antenna up here in this top corner, and it did say not to put it right up against it, so we're going to put it close to there. And then I'm thinking right there on the dash will be an excellent place for that radio to sit. So easy to get to, within arm's reach. And then I don't think I'll even physically mount it. I may just sit it there for now, because here again, it's not going to be the permanent radio. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing that I have is this is a sliding window, and obviously I need to be able to open it up. So this is on here, and it said that this thing has to be faced to the right, the connector here, and that the radial antenna was pointed to the left. So if I do so, that means I got to put it roughly, really no higher than right there. So that doesn't get my antenna above the RV at all. However, I'm hoping it will be better propagation wise than maybe I have to go on the front window. Alright, I'll have to do some looking here, so stand by. Alright, we did go ahead and go with this side window here. So I think it's still going to work. It's not going to get the antenna up above the top of the motorhome, but like I said, it will be better than just using the short stubby on my handheld or something like that. But yeah, we'll do some testing afterwards and see how it works. But for now, that's where this piece goes. We'll put the outside piece on next. Alright, so there it is on the windshield. I mean, not on the windshield, on the side window. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. So it does go up. This camera, it does go up a decent amount, but here again, not above the window. And then right there. So we'll see. Alright. Alright, so this is the setup that we did. So I have my Junte 6188 Plus and had the antenna right here. We just got back from about a 16-hour round trip and had to pull the antenna off from the outside. Got it here. But anyways, had to pull it off from there due to the wind just smacking it against the window and the window trim. So not a good placement for it. I'll have to figure something out about how I want to do this, but for now I've had to remove the antenna. It is not a good place for it. So I'll have to see if I can unstick this and maybe put it somewhere else where it's not in the wind as much. But where the wind comes around that corner, just not good. So other than that, I will state the fact that I was about 65 miles away from the Fairbanks repeater and was able to hit it. So it did definitely provide the range that I needed. Now I don't know how to do on simplex, but it did do a great job via the repeater. So all in all, a success for the antenna, just the placement, not good. So thanks so much for watching, and if you have any comments or suggestions, just let me know down below. Appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dave. I just want to do a real quick thank you. Appreciate you watching our videos. If you've noticed, we've mentioned a couple of things that you can purchase. We are Amazon affiliates, so if you check out the links below, there's a few links there depending upon the video that you're watching. So if you purchase something through there, we get a small commission at no additional cost to you. So if you would like to support this channel, that's definitely one way that you can do it. We also have our website, everdave.com, and then byfaithclothing.com, which is this shirt that we're wearing here. So, and then we have our YouTube channel that you're watching now, and then we have our book of poetry, which we have links to that down below as well. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. We appreciate your support. As always, thank you. God bless.